John started with nothing. He had no resources, no connections, and no clear path to success. He grew up in a small town where everyone knew each other, and life moved at a slower pace. Jobs were scarce and opportunities were limited. The local factory had shut down, leaving many without work. But John had a dream. He often found himself daydreaming about a brighter future, imagining the possibilities. He wanted to build something great, something that would make a difference in his community and beyond. He believed in the power of hard work. John knew that dedication and perseverance were key to achieving his goals. John took on any job he could find. From construction sites to restaurants, he was willing to do whatever it took. He worked long hours and never complained. Even when he was exhausted, he kept pushing forward. He saved every penny, knowing his time would come. Every small amount he saved brought him closer to his dream. He just needed a chance. John was always on the lookout for opportunities, never losing hope. John's positive attitude was infectious. His optimism inspired those around him. People noticed his work ethic. They admired his dedication and unwavering commitment. He was reliable, trustworthy, and always willing to learn. John sought advice and continuously improved his skills. His humble beginnings were shaping him into a leader. John's journey was just beginning, and his potential was limitless. John's journey was not easy. He faced many rejections. People doubted his abilities and questioned his vision. But John never lost faith. He knew his worth. He faced setbacks with determination. Every failure was a lesson. Every challenge strengthened his resolve. He learned from his mistakes and bounced back stronger. His perseverance was tested time and again. He faced financial struggles and questioned his path. But he never gave up. He knew that success required unwavering commitment. John's dedication started to pay off. He met a seasoned entrepreneur. This mentor saw potential in John and offered guidance and support. John listened eagerly, soaking up every word. He learned the intricacies of business, honed his skills, and refined his vision. He was ready to take the leap. He just needed the right opportunity. The opportunity arrived. John poured all his experience, his learnings, and his savings into it. He worked tirelessly, fueled by his passion and years of hard work. Section 4. The Fruits of Labor. John's venture started small, just a modest idea in a tiny office. He faced the same challenges every entrepreneur does: fierce competition, unpredictable market fluctuations, and constant self-doubt. But this time, he was ready. He had the experience from past ventures. He had the resilience built from previous failures. He had the unwavering belief in himself and his vision. His business grew steadily, expanding its reach and influence. He treated his employees with respect, understanding that they were the backbone of his company. He valued their contributions deeply. He created a positive and motivating work environment where everyone felt valued and inspired to give their best. His team was a reflection of his own values: integrity, hard work, and dedication. His success was not an overnight phenomenon. It was a gradual process built on consistent effort and strategic planning. It was the culmination of years of struggle, countless late nights, and unwavering faith in his mission. John's story proved that with dedication, perseverance, and a clear vision, one can overcome any obstacle and achieve lasting success. Section 5. A legacy forged in hard work. John's story is an inspiration to many who dream big. He started with nothing but a dream and a relentless drive to succeed. He faced countless challenges and obstacles along the way. But he never wavered in his determination. He believed in hard work and the power of perseverance. He believed in himself and his vision. His journey teaches us the value of perseverance and the importance of staying focused on our goals. It highlights the importance of dedication and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It shows us that success is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, endurance, and a long-term vision. John's legacy extends beyond his business achievements. He has become a mentor and a guiding light for many. He is a role model for aspiring entrepreneurs, showing them that with hard work, anything is possible. He is living proof that with hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in oneself, anything is possible.